now I am going to complete the look with some cheekers, some nice blush on the cheeks. And I'm going to be going in with this Full Spectrum palette. Love, love, love this palette. I got them for like $2-3 at my local Walgreens. So I'm going to be taking this shade on the end right here, this shade right here on the end, and I'm going to be putting that on my cheeks. So I'm going to get like a nice smile big on, and look at that. And being that I am a dark skin glam, I have to go for more of the deeper tones, more of the cool tones to get kind of like the more of the blush look. But if you're a more fair skin tone or lighter skin glam, you're able to get away with a lot more of the colors. Now, you don't want to be very rosy if you're more of the fairest tone, because you don't look like a clown. But again, just getting my smile big on and just putting that hint of color. Just taking this shade right here. And I'm going to go in with the middle shade right here for some highlight on top of it. So when that light hit it just right, you see it, now you don't. See how when that light hits it, that's what I want, especially when that sunlight hits it, it gives it that nice sun-kissed look. And I'm just going right above it. See it? Now you don't. See how when the light hits it, that's what I want, when that light hits it just right. And I'm just taking my powder brush and just kind of like settling it down some, because you don't want it to be too harsh. You still want to make it look natural looking when that light hits it just right. So now I'm going in with this shade right here on the end, this Sun-Kissed Gold, and I'm just going to go over the tip of my nose. So when that light hits it, look at that glow. And you see the ombre lips, I'm going to put some on the chin and on my cupid's bow. And now I'm going to chisel everything in. I got this RK Kiss mineral palette. It was in the darkest shade of brown, and the reason being I got this was just pretty much to help chisel my nose for a little bit of contouring, as well as bring out my cheekbones. So I'm going to take this same blush brush and just wipe off the excess from the blush, and I'm going to do like this, suck my cheeks in to chisel it. See that? Just to chisel it and boost the cheekbone up. Now I'm going to take my handy dandy powder brush and I'm going to contour my nose just a little bit. I know that a lot of people highlight and contour before they finish up everything, but I like to add that as my grand finality grand finale rather, when I do my makeup. So and you see how I'm just chiseling. Look at that. And look at those lips, G.L.A.M.s. And there you have it. My look is pretty much complete. Use all drugstore products in this tutorial to pretty much showcase that you can get gorgeous on a dime. So if you are new to this channel, like I've always stated before, please click that red subscribe button below and just continue to follow me. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section below. And until next time, G.L.A.M.s, be blessed and be glamorous.